This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 28H Elite Class C Motorhome is a Class C RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, skylight, awning, LP detector, slide-out, DVD player, oven, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features couples coach, rear bedroom. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 28H Elite Class C Motorhome is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.